Hi guys, so based on popular demand, I'm going to be showing you the BTS of how I get to do my videos. Now, the lightning is one of the most important thing, and trust me, I got my lights gradually. I just got them over time. It's not like I just got everything I want because sometimes lightning can be expensive. But my main light is actually a ring light. That's a 22 inches ring light, and it depends on what you go for. But the truth is that the bigger the light, the better I guess the spread. And if you do, right now I'm not using any light, I'm just using my window light. And if you think you don't have the budget for very expensive light, I'm also using a room. I'm just going to be showing you the BTS of how the entire thing is. I'm just using a particular space, and I'm recording with my front camera because sometimes recording with the back camera can be difficult. It's easier, it's clearer, but truth is that it can be sometimes difficult to use. So if you want to get started, first of all, and you do not have the budget, you can start with a small light that you can just place on your phone. So I'm just going to do that now so that you can see. This light is called, I'm going to put the details in the description below. So just look at this. This is how the lightning is. So when you just place it on your phone here, okay, sorry. See the difference? The lightning is better now, and you can just change it to different mode that you want. I'm inside the house, so I think this is a bit better. So if you want to start with this one, this one is fine. You can make use of an audio sound as well. I got this one that I just clipped here, and I think this one is also good to go. But if you want to take a step further, you can add some color lights. That's some LED light. These are small lights. When I first started, before I got other lights that I have, this one is Lanzi. I got it from Amazon. So just turn on this light. This is red. You can change it to any color of your choice, reduce it as well. Um, so this this gives you a little bit of dimension as well. If you also want to place it in your background, it can also help you just have a little bit of definition, and you can just play with different colors. And there's blue, there's red. So look at it. If you just want it to be in your background only, the lightning can make a whole lot of difference. Trust me, it can make so much difference. My wall is actually cream. Yeah, it's a cream wall. So the lightning, these are just affordable light you can start with. Then, so let's talk about the main light that I'm currently using right now. So I'm just going to take this off. Okay. Taking this off, I'm back to square one. Now I have my ring light that's right in front of me. And when I just turn it on, you can see this is the lowest, by the way. If you increase it so much, it's going to distort everything. Like this is, the brighter it is, the better. But sometimes I just would like to, this is the brighter it is. Um, so different colors, but I'm just going to stick with this and go with the lowest. So lowest here. Then I got this light recently. I'm just gonna adjust. So this is actually my background. There's a light here facing the back. The cameras appear though. Then this one as well is also a LED light. So it came with different gels. There is the blue, there is the green, there is the red. So right now I'm just making use of red, right? And yeah, red and blue. So you can see that I have two lights placed, if you can see it very, very well. So two lights placed in my background just to give me a little bit of depth. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn one of the light on. The first one is red. So you can see very well, right, that this is just giving my wall, it's changing the definition of my wall. And then I have another one, the blue. So you can see the blue as well. You can either increase it. Okay, this is low, this is high, because if it's too high, it might be a problem. So you reduce it a little bit. And if, because of the kind of what blind that I have, it's not easy to dim down the lightning. But if you have the opportunity to make your room a little bit darker, you're going to see the beautiful effect. If I was shooting at night, everything is going to be very good because I'm not going to be depending on the main light, that's the sun source. I'm only going to be depending on the light that I have, and it's going to be giving me a very beautiful view. But because I'm shooting during the day, I don't have an option than to work with this light and also reduce the little light that I have in me. So here, as you can see, these are some of the light that I have at the moment. Then I'm going to be using this light as well because I'm not going to make it waste, am I? So just turn it on a little bit. As you can see, it's giving me a little bit of depth. It's red, and I can just place it right in front of me here, depending on the color you want to go for. So it's giving me a little bit of depth as well. Then this second light, I'm also going to be having it in red as well. You can change the color. So you can see this is red, it's turning to purple. If I want to have a little bit of purple feel, then I can go for that. This is also giving me like a little bit of, yeah, this is blue. So you can see the blue there, but I don't think I want more blue anymore. So I'm just going to be going back to red just to have a little bit of this. So I've gone back to red now. Like I said, reducing the light and making sure, and then maybe when you zoom in, there you have it. This is how my setup is. And also, I'm going to say that the kind of app that I use to do a video also matters. Like I said, I'm using my front camera. If I was to use my back camera, I'm going to struggle a little bit because I can't see myself. One thing I like to do is I don't like to use my main camera. That's the camera on my iPhone because it's a 4K and it's going to be very heavy in terms of posting. So I like to use TikTok. Now, TikTok camera is very nice. There are also some little bit of filters that you can use to make your face a bit smoother because you don't want to have your pores showing. Depends on your personality. If you're a guy, there's some guys that do not mind. But for ladies, you might just want to hide the imperfections in your skin. So you can just go for some of the smoothness filter on the TikTok app, and the quality is good, and you can also reduce the amount of megabytes you have for your video. So there you have it, how you can turn your boring videos into something interesting. So I'm going to turn off the light again so you see the difference. This is going off, this is going off. Okay, this light is going off, the other one is going off as well, and then my main light is going off as well. So you can see that I'm also going to take off this mic so you can see how it sounds without the mic. Okay, this is the mic, turn it off. So this is how I sound without the mic. You can see the difference. So I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you found it insightful. Let me know in the comments, do you get to play with any light? What are your challenges when it comes to doing videos? And I'll be waiting to read from you. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.